Hello, I am Dr. Pankaj Kumar, and in this video I am going to explain a detailed answer of this question, which is said which cell do not have perforated cell wall. Option A tracheids, B companion cells, C sieve tubes, D vessels. So what is meaning of perforated? It means pores. So which of do not have the cell wall containing pores? Actually the function of perforated cell wall is that it helps to exchange the nutrients among the different cells. So in the anatomy of flowering plant there is a topic on the complex tissue. So the flowering plant contains two types of complex tissue such as phloem and xylem, which have their own function. So let us say this is a tree. These are its roots and these are leaves and this is stem part. So the xylem and phloem are the two complex tissues. So what is the function of xylem? Xylem helps to transport water from roots to stem and leaves. Xylem, it transports water. And phloem is a tissue which transports food from leaves to the other parts. Food transport. Now, as you see, there's four options. So the tracheids and vessels are part of xylem, and companion cells and sieve tube are the part of phloem. Now, let us first understand about the xylem. So xylem, tracheids and vessels. Now, the vessel contain many cells which are collectively called as vessel members, and all these are connected with each other through a perforation in their cell wall. So the vessels have the perforated cell wall. Perforation is present, while the tracheids are cylindrical like cells with the tapering ends, and these do not contain any perforation. Their cell wall is rigid and they have the rigid cell wall, so they do not contain any perforation. Now in case of the phloem, it contains companion cell and sieve tube elements. Companion cell and sieve tube elements. Sieve tube elements. So in structure of phloems, as we know the meaning of companion, that is it is associated. So the companion cells are associated with sieve tube elements. So these are closely associated with each other in phloem. Now the companion cells have two functions. First of all, they control the pressure gradient within the sieve tube elements, and second, the nucleus of the companion cells control the activity of sieve tube. So it is necessary that they must be associated and they must exchange the nutrients with each other. So the sieve tube elements and companion cells are able to exchange nutrients with the help of their perforated cell wall. So with this discussion we can say that the tracheids are the cells which do not contain any perforation, or they do not have any perforated cell wall. So answer to this question is tracheids. Thank you.